Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Magento 2. So today we are going to learn the most important topic, that is Magento 2 API token based authentication. Sometimes we want to use the default REST APIs of the Magento. So how we are going to do that? Suppose I want to create the mobile application and I want the default REST APIs of the Magento, like customers details, customers cart and customer order details. So how we are going to do that? It based on the token based authentication. So how we are going to get the customer access token and fetch their details, we are going to learn in this video. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. For the customer access token, we have to hit the REST API, that is HTTP localhost. This is the path of your Magento, and the rest one is the REST v1 integration customer. Okay, so this is the endpoint, you can say, of how to get the customer access token. Then here you need to pass the content application JSON, and here you need to pass the credentials of the user, customer, you can say. So it will return you the token. Then this token can be used any of your REST APIs, default REST APIs, to retrieve the customer details. Let's see. So first of all, you can use the PHP also to hit this API to get the data. Okay, so here I'm just hitting this one to get the data. So here you can see that I just received what it says: Magento resource model customer intercepted does not exist. Actually, I am on the wrong directory. No, I think I need to hit it over here. Anything I have missed? So now I can directly hit the root also. Okay. But it says Magento customer model source mode customer interceptor does not exist. That means I need to hit run the commands. Okay, so here we go with this one. Just let me run the commands. So here we have the commands, right? So let's upgrade, or let's compile first. Then we to have to go for the upgrade, because I think interceptor is related to the compilation. Then upgrade this, then deploy, then deploy, then add this permissions, paste it. Okay, let's run the command. So here we go with the command where we have the this one. Okay, just copy this curl and enter this one. Okay, let's see. So here you can see that we are able to fetch the token. So let's copy this token into for getting the customer details. Let's copy this. Okay, and use this token into this part, bearer token. Okay, so let's retrieve the customer's me and API. So the customer name is, username is test90, and the password is here. So let's fetch the all the details of that user. Let's hit this curl. Okay, now you can see that the details. Let me verify these details. Copy this one and go for the JSON length and check JSON length. We can go. Okay, so here let's verify the details. So you can see that the email is this one and the first name last name is this one. So verify with the help of here. Let's see, check all the details that is correct or not. Let's check the first name and the last name. So this way, like you have get the token. So first get the customer token, then use overall the API of that one. So here we have the customers, all customers. So here you can see that the test 90. This is the Rajnikant. So let's check all the details. Cancel it and scroll it by edit. So here you can see that default billing address, account information, first name Rajnikant and the test. You can see that all the details are correct. So Rajnikant and the email addresses are also there. So you can see that all the data you will get it from by the customer's details. Okay. So this is how we are able to get the customer details with the help of the Magento 2 REST API token authentication. Okay, so rest of the things you can also do, right? So this is how we are able to get one. So any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day. So in the next one, we are going to learn about the Magento 2 API token authentication admin. Okay, so how we are going to fetch, like the I'm the admin, so how I'm going to fetch the other customer details or orders details. So we are going to learn in the next video. Thank you so much, have a great day.